Hi guys, today we're going to be checking out, unboxing and testing a microphone from an old friend of mine. Long time no see, Maono sent me the DM30 RGB microphone. Now, these microphones have won the CES Innovation Award of this year, 2023. So I'm really impressed and I want to check it out. But first, of course, let's unbox it. Now, as we open it, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the characteristics of the microphone itself. This is a Cardioid pattern microphone, and it comes in 4 different colors: pink, purple, black, and white. Mine is the black version, but if you want any other color, you know that you have the option to have them. Now, really good packaging. Here it is. That this won the CES awards. Let's set it aside and here it is, guys. Really tiny microphone, I like it. It comes already with a stand, so you can set it up in your desk. It's really good. It has some rubber feet underneath, and as you can see, guys, maybe I hope you can see it right here. These have some. These have a little bit of plastic set into the rubber feet so it doesn't get damaged in shipping. So you will need to take this out, peel them off. Wait, come here. Jesus. Because if you don't take this out, this is going to be able to move in your desk, and without this, now it's all the table move, but the microphone stay in place. Here on the front is where you want to speak in the microphone, and as you can see, you have a gain knob, and you're going to have 2 lights of the microphone and the headphones. Underneath you have 3 things: the headphone jack, a USB Type-C that is to connect into your PC, and the light control. Another way that you can control this is with the software that Maono have made, that is called Maono-Link. Now let's check out this small box right here, and in here there are the instructions manual. Really good, really good. This explains you everything: frequency control, polar pattern, and everything else that you need, including the software itself. For what is in the software, it's something like the software that you have for sure microphones, that you can control not only the light of the microphone itself, but also you're going to be able to add some limiter, compressor, and more things like that. Now, the manual we don't need, silica gel as well. And here is the cable. Pretty sturdy cable, I like it. I like this cable, how this looks. Oh wow, look at this. Let me show you guys, let me open it really fast. And as you can see, the Type-C connection that you want to set it into your PC. But you also have this part right here. And I hope you guys can see it. USB Type-C to USB, so you, depending on the connection that you have in your PC, you can set this up. So guys, so much for the unboxing, it's done. So let's take the microphone, set it up in the PC, and test it out, and test also as well the software. So guys, I just set up the Maono microphone into my PC, and everything that you're hearing right now is completely from the Maono DM30 RGB. Now, the gain knob, if you press it, you're going to mute the microphone. That is something really good to have. Now I just installed the software and let's test it out. DM30. Okay, here is the microphone. I have set the gain to 88. This is the microphone. You can change already some settings right here. That is the tone. And the first one is deep. Is what you're hearing right now. You can change it into natural. Now this is the natural tone. And the last one is bright. This is the bright tone. Normally what this should do is into the deep one, you're going to hear more of the deep sound of the voice. Natural is going to be completely without any effects, and bright is going to push up the highs in your voice. You can also control right here the RGB, you can turn it off and on, and you can change the color to any color that you want. If you want rainbow, if you want any other color difference, right here. Now on top, if you go from standard to advanced, you can change these settings right here, that you can change the EQ to a high pass filter if you want to select a presence boost. This is normally that you sound more close, more like a radio effect. And the high pass filter and the presence boost. One thing that I would like to do is to add a limiter and the compressor. And let's play a little bit with the settings right here until this sounds like not too much. To close a little bit some of the background noises and limit the voice so this doesn't sound so loud when you're screaming. This limit the voice. Now, I'm going to do one more test, and this is if you don't want to use the Maono software. So I'm going to close this right here. Close it completely. Now this is the natural sound of the Maono microphone without any EQ or processing in post with what I use normally to edit my videos, that is DaVinci Resolve. And you see the distance that I am from the microphone. It doesn't bother me at all, it's really far away, and I think it sounds pretty good. Now, this is with processing in post with DaVinci Resolve. What do you guys think? Do you enjoy the microphone? If you do, go into the description down below where I'm going to let you all the links that you need to purchase this microphone from Maono. And guys, if you enjoy content like this one, don't forget to drop a like into the video and to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye. Thanks Maono for sending me this microphone.